And we're here with William Murenza just outside Harare, Zimbabwe. It's May the 15th, 2010. How are you, William?
I'm fine.
Good, good. William, how long have you been sculpting? For how long have you been sculpting?
For 6 years now.
6 years. Yeah. Who was your teacher?
Clopas Namere.
Clopas?
Hello, how are you, sir?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
So you're his teacher?
Yeah, sure.
Does he do a good job?
Yes, really is.
Alright, thanks. Well, we're going to take a look at a few pieces that William has produced for us. These are available at Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com. And these are birds that are sculpted from springstone. As you can hear, this is a very busy place. This bird's about 40 inches tall. As you can see, there's the springstone base. And then the next piece is the bird landing. The piece is called Landing Bird. Also sculpted in springstone. The color difference in the springstone is just the way the pieces are finished. Having to make my way around different sculptures and different pieces of stone. And that's Landing Bird. Then we have Seabird, also by William, also sculpted in springstone. And those are the three birds from William Murenza, a young artist from Zimbabwe. And we'll just say goodbye to William. Thank you, William. Thank you. Good luck to you. See you next time.